Hello ChatGPT lovers, today I am going to show you how to make GPT automatically write about current news and events. I am using the newest version of ChatGPT, which is version 4.0. I will ask the bot if it can write about news or current events. You will encounter the issue that this bot cannot write about new stuff because it only has knowledge up until September of 2021. Okay, so to bypass this problem, you have to feed ChatGPT with some actual news content. So go and find a few current news articles about whatever current topics or current events you want, and then copy the links to those pages. I will find 3 articles about the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank from various news sources. Again, copy the links and now ask ChatGPT to write the news article about your topic based on these news articles and paste in your links just like what I did here. ChatGPT will now actually be able to write about current news on basically any topics or current events you want. All you have to do is feed ChatGPT with some links to current articles you want to write about. This method works great for creating fresh content about new stuff. I hope you find it useful. For more tips and tutorials on ChatGPT and AI tools, please subscribe to How to Webmaster. Thanks so much for viewing and have an awesome day.